Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on Turn on Improve Search Suggestions feature Opera Browser. So turn on Improve Search Suggestions feature Opera Browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Privacy Security menu. Now here you are in the Privacy Security menu. Then scroll down. Then tap Improve Search Suggestions. This feature enables more accurate search suggestions in Opera Browser, helping users find information faster. So that's it, the tutorial Turn on Improve Search Suggestions feature Opera Browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.